Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing a durable build. Damage plus survivability will carry you through late-game floors. Immediately clear rooms methodically to earn keys, bombs, and coins. Once you hit the womb/scarred womb, make smart rerolls in shops and devil deals to power up your run. Keep 1 or 2 orbitals or high defense items. You'll want buffer HP before attempting the mother route. Make decisions quickly. Conserve keys and bombs for chests and special doors that open the path later. Once done with initial floors, force progress into the corpse or later chapters by beating required bosses. Make sure to explore every room on womb/scarred womb to reveal paths and pick up map or compass effects when possible. Use bombs to probe for secret rooms and save keys for golden chests or special doors. These often contain pivotal progression items. If you have a D100 or reroll combos, target items that boost damage or unlock special floors. These changes determine whether Mother becomes accessible. To finish, follow the unlocked path into the corpse or final chapter and clear mandatory minibosses. The Mother encounter appears only after those spawn conditions are met. Prioritize positioning and item usage. Use bombs, familiars, and active consumables to create safe windows and burst damage. If you don't find Mother, retrace requirements. Check if a key boss or special room was missed. Troubleshooting tip: if Mother won't spawn, ensure 100% exploration and that any required item or boss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.